Hi besties, it's your girl Dida and welcome to my channel. Today is a really special day for me and my family, and I'm finally showing you our new home. It's empty, it's quiet, and honestly it feels like a fresh new chapter for me and my family of 7. So let's go inside and take a look. So as you walk in, there's a downstairs toilet where they added a shower, which I am so excited for that because as a mom of 7 and school timing is really it's really like hectic in the morning. So as you walk in, there's a kitchen, the downstairs shower, and there's a living room. And as you walk upstairs, there's a 2 bedroom. So my 2 boys will be sharing this room, and if you go across the other side, my 2 girls will be sharing that room. And so this house is empty, ready to be filled with love and all the decoration. And in the middle floor, there's a bathroom as well. So the where the rooms are, there's a bathroom, their family bathroom, and this is the girls' room, which they're like, wow, our room is so big. So they're quite excited for that. And as you walk upstairs to the final floor, so there's like 2 stories. There's a 2 final room. There's 1 huge room which my 3 kids will share, and there's a 1 box room which I'll be using that small room, and I'll give them the largest room. So the largest room is gonna be for three kids, one for the twins and their brother. So this room is huge room. It's perfect for them, for their toys and all that stuff. And as you know, your girl's frugal. I love my charity shop, and one of my favorite charity shop is British Heart Foundation, which I feel has the most amazing products, amazing stuff for decoration, which I went there to have a look and see what I can get. I loved these chairs, but by the time I went back, they were all gone. Most of this stuff are all gone because they do not stay there for long. People love British Heart Foundation because their stuff are quite good and affordable as well. So I'll be going back there to be checking what they have new in stock. And this is my curtains. I just sent them to dry cleaner, ready to be put on, fresh, smelling amazing. And guys, thank you so much. Hope you like it. Please support your girl, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.